Good day, everyone. I am excited to share my concept map on one of today's most pressing issues, the threats of climate change to indigenous communities. As you can see here at the center of my map is the main idea that indigenous people who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries are among the most vulnerable to the impact of climate change. First, we have environmental threats. This includes deforestation, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and desertifications. So, these changes damage their lands, water, and food sources. Forests are cut down for industrial use, rising water flood communities, and fertile lands turns into deserts. The second one is the impact on livelihood. Many indigenous people rely on fishing, hunting, and farming, but due to unpredictable weather, rising temperatures, and environmental degradation, their traditional ways of life are being lost. The third one is the displacement. Displacement is becoming more common. Indigenous families are being forced to leave their ancestral lands due to floods, drought, or even government relocation. So this causes them emotional and spiritual pain as they are disconnected from the lands that holds their history. The fourth one as the cultural and spiritual erosion. So climate change affects more than land. It affects identity. Many traditions are tied to the seasons, animals, and sacred places. When these are lost, their culture and wisdom slowly fade. The fifth one is the health risk. Climate change leads to new diseases, hunger due to failed crops, and even mental health issues as people are uprooted from their homes. Finally, I included a call to action in my concept map. I believe we must recognize and support indigenous rights. We must also include them in climate policies and promote indigenous lead solution because their knowledge of nature is invaluable. Indigenous communities are protectors of the earth. If we truly want to fight climate change, we must stand with them. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope this inspires you to learn more and take action.